Laying your life down in tender surrender before the Lord will bring life, prosperity, and honor as your reward. Twisted and perverse lives are surrounded by demonic influence. That's why it matters who you hang out with. If you value your soul, stay far away from them. This is from Proverbs 22, 4 through 5 in the Passion Translation. Don't forget that the Lord has given us His word and these instructions as a guide for our life, not for His own health. The Bible helps us. He knows what the Bible says. It's for us. And so He's not wasting His breath or His energy or His time when He's telling us to be careful with who we surround ourselves with. It says twisted and perverse lives are surrounded by demonic influence. Surrounded means completely all around in every area, every form, every relationship, every job, every hobby, everything. And you don't want that in your life. You don't want that going against you and the plans that God has for you. So it's very important who you surround yourself with.